Hello everyone and welcome to this review on Aperty Photo Editor. It's a great online photo editing tool that allows you to enhance your images without the need for complex software. It's designed to be user-friendly, offering a wide range of editing tools accessible to both beginners and experienced users. We'll be talking about the features, the pros and the cons, and the pricing, and it's our hope that at the end of this video, you'll be informed on if this is the best fit for you in your productivity. On with the key features, you have the basic editing tools such as crop, resize, rotate, and flip images with ease, among other basic tools. You also have advanced editing tools such as adjusting brightness, contrast, saturation, and other color settings. If you're looking for filters and effects, you can apply various effects and filters to enhance your photos and aesthetic appeal. If you want to make some markups, such as adding text or shapes, you can add text and shapes to your images for creative customizations and convenience. And one more thing that is great on Aperty Photo Editor is the batch editing. You can process multiple images at once to save your precious time. As with any service, we'd like to mention the pros and the cons. The user interface is easy to navigate and use. And if you're using the basic features, well, good news because the basic features are free to use. There is a wide range of tools, and this offers a variety of editing options. It is cloud-based, and this means that you can access your photos and edits from any device with an internet connection. It also means that you don't need to have an installation on your local device. On the flip side, we would like to mention that advanced features compared to other photo editing software may lack some advanced features, and there is a potential for performance issues. You might experience some slow editing with large images or performing complex tasks. And because it's web-based, if your internet connection is not stable, you might be experiencing some delays with the editing processes. In summary, Aperty Photo Editor is a reliable and great tool for online photo editing, whether it's basic or intermediate. Its intuitive interface and wide range of features make it a great choice for both casual users and those who need to quickly edit photos. While it may not be as powerful as a professional software, it's a great option for most users who just want to enhance their photos without the hassle of a complex software. And when it comes to the pricing, you have two main categories. You have the options for individuals and you also have the option for businesses. For individuals, if you'd like to pay monthly, you can go with $29.95 per month. However, if you go with the annual, you get to pay less. With the annual, you get to start a 7-day free trial to get a taste of how it feels before committing to it. It also offers a 14-day money-back guarantee and you can cancel anytime. If you're a business, on the other hand, you can contact sales for a quote based on the specific needs for your team. And right here, you can see some cool photos made by Aperty. So go ahead and feed your eyes and see the potential in using Aperty. So there you have it. If you've got more questions or want to see more content like this, let us know in the comment section below. And before you go, please hit that subscribe button and we'll see you in the next one.